Hey guys, welcome back. I am Danny, your friendly tech amigo. For those who are returning, thank you so much for being again here with me. For those who are first timers, don't forget to subscribe and watch to the end of the video. If you decide you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you decide you didn't, hit that thumbs down and let me know what I can do to improve. But without further ado, I decided to upgrade. Apple Watch Series 6. I've had the Apple Watch Series 3 for about 2 years now, and it's been an awesome watch. I like how you can now unlock your iPhone while wearing a mask with the new 14.5 version of the iOS. I am trying to be a little bit more active, so I am tracking my steps more, my breathing exercises, my exercise in general, as well as not sitting down for a long period of time. And that's like one of my biggest weaknesses. But why did I wait such a long time to upgrade to a Series 6 when there's already rumors that the Series 7 is gonna be awesome and it's gonna have one of my new favorite colors, which is green? There's a few reasons. First one, the price. Usually Apple products don't devalue, especially if it's brand new. It doesn't devalue until the next line of product is underway or it has already been presented. With this new Apple Watch, or for me it's new Apple Watch, I was able to get a very, very good deal. I was already looking forward to buying a new Apple Watch because on the Series 3, the upgrades will kind of not work anymore. So I was already looking into buying or upgrading my Apple Watch. And I have a friend who has a sister that lives in the United States, and she bought it and something happened. She decided to want to get rid of it. It was still packaged. She even gave me the receipt. Great, I got it, and I got it for about 2,500 pesos less than what it is being valued at here at the store in Mexico. So that was the biggest reason why. Second reason why is the battery. I have not changed the battery on my iPhone Series 3 and I use it every single day. So think about it, that's 2 years of usage with the same battery. It's not as efficient as when I first bought it, and I didn't want to buy a new battery and replace it. Honestly, I don't even know if you can. Let me know in the comments down below. But that's another reason. And the third and most important reason, I had a good deal. I got a good deal. So I've had the new Apple Watch for a couple hours now. I just charged it. It's at 76% now. I'm gonna see how I can carry it out. But one thing I did notice is that the cable, I thought it was gonna be a USB-C type of cable, but it's not. It's a USB-A, which doesn't really bother me because I thought, dang, if it is a USB-C, I'm gonna have to buy another adapter because the adapter that I have now is specifically USB-A one USB-A and one USB-C to charge my current Apple Watch. So when I saw that it's a USB-A, I was like, all right, cool. I don't have to spend a little bit more money on getting that extra item that I was gonna get, but not now, in the future. So I've seen it, I've worked with it. Bigger screen, yes, to my eyes, because I'm looking at it, it's better. The always on display is also great because you really don't have to, hold it all the way up so you can see what time it is. You can just, kind of have it in there and you can see the time. You can just glance down like, hey, all right, I know the time. So the always on display, the first 10-15 minutes of wearing it is awesome. It's great. I do want to see how it holds up with the battery though. Another thing that I liked a lot about this huge leap from the Series 3 to the Series 6 is that it displays a lot more items now. Like there's a lot more items on the screen. So I have my battery for the Apple Watch, I have the climate, I have the time of Tokyo, and I have my activity, as well as the date and of course the time. So this is great because you have a lot more information on your wrist at once. So that's awesome. And I wish I would have had it since the Series 4. I wish I would have bought a Series 4, but I wasn't really going for the newest thing at that time. I got my wife the newest thing at that time, and I got the Series 3. Plus, I saved a little money. I like bigger watches. I have a small wrist, but I like it. I did try the blood oxygen level. I'm at 92. So I don't really know what that means, as I mentioned in the other video. I'm gonna leave up here or up here. But it's okay. I'll learn and I'll figure it out. So that's my first impressions of this new Apple Watch. And really, you can't tell that it is a new watch unless you follow very, very closely the new updates and all that, as far as the always on display, the screen size, blah, blah, blah. The only way you can actually notice is that if it's a Series 6 or a Series 5 or a Series 4 is if somebody was wearing it like this and you are you have very, very good eyesight, and you can see that they have the Series 5 or 6 because you can read it on the back of there. But other than that, I don't think anybody can really see the difference, and I don't even think anybody is gonna know the difference. So yeah, that was my first impressions of this new to me Apple Watch Series 6. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you didn't, hit that thumbs down. Let me know in the comments, really, please, what I can do to improve, because I have fun doing this. It's expensive, but I have fun doing it. Alright, catch you guys in the next one. Be safe. Peace.